I was on the way to pick up the bird in Calimesa, California, which is about a half hour from Palm Springs, California. I didn't do it with Fox TV because of the Kobe Bryant thing, which is just so sad, but I can't make that bird wait. So, as I'm driving, I'm thinking about the Bitcoin and the girl, Elizabeth Schneider, who stole everything. So right after New Year, her brother works at Los Angeles City Planning in downtown LA. He's an assistant to someone. He's like 31. So I called a flower delivery place. I sent 3 dozen huge long stem sunflowers. I told the man, I want the person carrying that bouquet to be embarrassed. This bouquet is so huge, it just stands out. So everyone in that office goes, oh my God, who is that for? And with it, I told him I had a special card, so I sent the card. I'll post it in a minute. And it was of a dead bird, and it said something like, thieves are going to pay. When the delivery place got the card, they freaked out, and they called me, and I told them, oh, it's from a movie. It's a joke. So they did it. And then a few days after I sent it, I get a call from Los Angeles Police Department about blah, 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 it's a crime, blah, 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 on. And I told the detective, I said, you know, when you steal someone's inheritance and life's monies, you know firsthand, it creates a big problem. I'm not doing this because I have nothing else better to do. And then after I spoke with that detective, he sent some email or something. Like the next day or whatever, I called Elizabeth Schneider's lawyer, Juan Carlos Restrepo Rodriguez. So I call him up. He's all, Juan Carlos, really happy. And I say, Juan Restrepo, this is Heidi Fleiss. And the phone goes silent, nothing. And I say, the phone goes silent. And I say to him, I want you to know that every day there's people out there praying that you outlive your children. What, you go to law school to learn how to steal someone's life's monies, their inheritance, like it's a fucking game? Like, and then silence. I just reiterated about outliving his children. And I do want something to happen to his kids. There's consequences. So how long have you had him in the family?
From what I can gather, Jan got him in 2004.
Jan, on the back wall over there, it said Kristen. Well, I didn't stay to get the history. But 3 locks on his cage, 1 a padlock. Wow. Anyways, she offered me gas money, which is kind of a first. Really nice. I didn't take it. I did take a couple of cactus cuttings. He'd only been in a little box before, so this is new for him. But putting him in a carrier to me is like putting a person, making them ride in the trunk. And I don't think he's had a bath in 30 years because I have asthma attack and allergies from him. He's sitting on my shoulder. See him? He's chilled out. I don't know if you can see that. There. He's on my shoulder. Here we stopped in Baker, right before Death Valley. And I got him some apple juice. He just loved it. He drank a lot before I filmed, and then off to his new home. This is the card I sent her brother, a better version. He got some of the money. She gave him some money. He's culpable. He knows she stole it. I'm sure she goes from can't get by month to living in an $8,000 a month apartment and a brand new BMW, traveling first class all over, buying all this stuff with my life's monies.